The Waterdrop WD-T3-C reverse osmosis water filter is designed with an advanced 8-stage filtration system that effectively reduces heavy metals, chlorine, and other impurities, ensuring every sip of water is pure and refreshing. Featuring a tankless design, this system offers a 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, which is both eco-friendly and efficient in conserving water resources. The 450 gallons per day fast flow rate ensures a steady supply of clean water, while smart alerts conveniently notify users when it is time to replace filters, making maintenance a breeze. With its plug-in operation, the system includes an LED light and auto-flushing function, providing consistently fresh and clean water effortlessly. Its compact size allows for flexible installation options, either under the sink or wall-mounted, saving up to 70% of under-sink space compared to traditional systems. The Waterdrop WD-T3-C is BPA-free and NSF ANSI 372 certified, adding an extra layer of assurance when it comes to safety and quality of your drinking water.